What's up, guys? Chris here, Tennessee Islander. Got Christian, got Michael in the back.
So
We went fishing today. We couldn't catch a fish to save our life. So instead of catching fish now, we're gonna go make some fish tacos. Stay tuned. Sitting here with Mike, sitting here with Christian. We're getting ready to make some fish tacos over an open fire. You guys excited or what? They're the fire masters. He's got sticks there. Get this thing started up. I think they overpacked it a little bit.
just a little bit.
Just a little bit. It's gonna be okay. There will be fire.
Let's take this big.
Got my buddy Mike from work coming. Pretty excited. He wanted fish tacos too. You know, it's kind of interesting. We're gonna have Mike, Michael, Christian, and Chris eating tacos. Got a fire rolling. Now it's time to get that meat ready. Get all the fixings. So the key to making this is good seasoning. Lemon pepper, with that Old Bay, salt, pepper, garlic. I'm in. I'm excited. All right, this fire is rolling. I think we're getting ready to start cooking. What do you think?
No.
Got our homemade potatoes in there. Got lots of fries, baby. Yeah. Got some potatoes going. Looking good. Tastes good. Cheers. Right. That's what's up.
Nice.
Another batch with a little bit of Knoxville hot chicken. Let's see how it tastes. 10 out of 10, bro. Got Mike with us today.
We got Coronas today.
Corona. I eat Corona. Went ahead and did a thin chip. Let's give it a go. You hear a crunch. Alright, finished product right there. Man. Awesome.
No.
What do you think?
You got that guac. Got some dude. Awesome. Delicious.
What do you think there? Fire. Here's Michael right here. Let me see this thing. Fire. Delicious. Love it. What are you doing? Carrying some guac?
Oh, you know it.
Guacamole in the taco. Let's see it. Bam. Oh yeah, you gotta feel that puppy, baby. Oh yeah. That's what's up. With guac. Fire. I saw a cheese bowl, bro. Taco, baby. Open fire.